To run your social media campaigns on Twitter with Sociomole, you need to create API keys and access tokens for each Twitter profile you use. This isn't difficult, but this video will ensure you get it right first time. API stands for Application Program Interface, and the API keys are a series of code produced by Twitter that allows your profile to pull tweets and other information from the Twitter sphere. To get your Twitter API keys and access tokens, you will need to create what is called a Twitter application by going to apps.twitter.com and signing in to your Twitter account. Once you are there, it is a matter of filling out the basic information as requested by the dialog boxes. Once you've given all the basic data, a Twitter application is created that will allow your Sociomole profile to function. So now we'll walk you, or rather click you, through this process step by step. Once you've set up your first API keys and access tokens, you'll have no problem doing it again for future Sociomole profiles you assign to your campaigns. Before we begin, you need to make sure that you have a valid mobile phone number associated with the profile you are going to use for this task. To check this, simply go to your Twitter account settings and use the Mobile tab to make sure you have a mobile number entered. Twitter requires a mobile number to validate the profile. If you need to put in a number, you will also have to wait for a text from Twitter to confirm this. Let's get started. As stated earlier, you need to go online and visit apps.twitter.com. You need to sign in using your existing Twitter account by clicking the Sign In button. Having signed in, you can now see your own Twitter identity here on the Twitter apps page. To begin setting up the API keys and receiving the unique codes the system generates, simply click on the Create New App button. The click takes you to the Create an Application page, and you now need to start entering the application details, starting with the application name. This is used to attribute the source of a tweet to the recipients. It needs to be a unique name. Often the best method is to create an extended version of your existing Twitter name. In this example, we have added _imp to the existing name. The system requires you to give the application a description. You can keep it simple, but you have between 10 and 200 characters available for this. Next is the website address box. You can enter your own website address or use the address sociomole.com. Please note that if you are entering your own web address, it must be in this format using the full http:// at the start. If the system indicates that you need to specify any callback URL, simply use the same address as you entered above. Otherwise, you can leave this box blank. The next step is to go to the bottom of the page where you need to agree to Twitter's rules for developers. If you wish to read it all, you can scroll down through it. Otherwise, simply click the Yes, I agree box. Now you can click the button below to create your Twitter application. You will now be directed to a page that summarises your new Twitter app. Across the top, you can see some tabs. As you need to get the keys and access tokens, that is the tab you need to click on. Now you'll be in the application management area, and you can see the application settings it has generated for you. This is where you get the necessary codes and access tokens. Towards the bottom of the page will be a button that says Generate My Access Tokens. Click here and Twitter will generate unique access tokens for you. You will now need to click on the Permissions tab and select Read, Write and Access Direct Messages. Then click on the Update button below. You are now ready to copy these keys into your Sociomole profile. So, for ease, open Sociomole as a new page in your browser and you can switch between the Twitter page and your Sociomole page. In Sociomole, you need to have opened the Create New Profile page. Go back to the Keys and Access Tokens tab and start copying your unique keys, and then switch to the Sociomole page and paste all the keys into the relevant boxes there. This is simply a matter of selecting all the information in a box. Right-click on the highlighted selection and use the copy function. Then Switch to the relevant box in Sociomole, right-click in the box and use the paste function. Repeat this process until all the codes are in Sociomole. Don't forget to also complete the boxes that require your Twitter handle, Twitter password and the email address associated with the account. Once all the boxes have been filled, click Create and away you go. Congratulations! You now have access to the Twitter sphere and I wish you every success in making the most of social media for your business. Sociomole. Connect, innovate, explore.